They say a healthy nation is a prosperous nation. In Kenya, though, challenges abound. Emerging diseases such as HIV are competing with diseases that had been forgotten, such as sleeping sickness and tuberculosis, which have come back in forms hard to contain.
When we talk of tsetse flies have not died. For example, in Sudan, yeah, and other countries like even Kenya, Lamba Valley, still tsetse flies are there. So when we don't actually manage such diseases, the forgotten diseases, then you find even leprosy. Leprosy is a disease that has been forgotten for some time, but you hear the disease now is in some countries like neighboring countries. You have to be wary because these diseases, through globalization, they can find their way into the country.
The cost of treatment is increasing due to the complexities of the diseases. Nyongo, however, says there is a way out of these problems.
We need, as a government, to put more money into research to make sure that we solve our problems from evidence-based knowledge. And that is what will help us even reduce the cost of medical care.
He says India has succeeded in that front and can now offer healthcare services at an affordable cost for its citizens.
They have been able to develop machines which are less costly in doing dialysis, so that where for us here in Kenya, we pay about 11 to 14,000 shillings every time we go for dialysis. In India, it can be as low as 800. This is the result of technological research that the Indians have done.
The medical practitioners and researchers in this conference are also grappling with the issue of globalization that has impacted both positively and negatively on health. Negative because through globalization, contagious diseases such as Ebola, mad cow and bird flu have crossed borders due to movement of people, goods and services. But there are positive aspects.
When we think globalization in the context of research findings that are being conducted in one continent or one country will find their way into another country.
Sylvia Chebet, Citizen TV, Nairobi.